Hi everyone, welcome my YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine. And whether you are dreaming of transforming your backyard into a lush sanctuary, or just looking for inspirations to breathe new life into a quiet corner of your outdoor space, you are in the right place today. We're beginning a journey, one that reconnects us with the earth, slows us down, and brings a little more beauty into our daily lives. This is a garden landscaping from the ground up before any showers hit and soil through your garden. Where do you notice? How does the light move across your space throughout the day? Where does the wind whisper and where does it howl? Look at your soil. Is it clay, heavy, rich or dry? These quiet observations guide everything we do next, because landscaping is not just design, it's partnership with your land, your climate, your lifestyle. Ask yourself, how do you want to feel in your garden? Come and meditative, alive with buzzing bees and hummingbirds, playful and often a space for gatherings, laughter, maybe even an occasional before dance. Once we understand the lay of the land, we begin shaping its bones, structural elements that ensure your space. Think of them as the frame of a painting. They guard the abyss, they hold the space. Consider your garden in both beauty and functions. Paths don't have to be perfect. In fact, a slightly winding trail through your garden adds mystery and charm, invites exploration, surprise. Remember, landscaping about control. It's about plant the start of the show. This is a where your garden being to breathe and bloom, but don't just head to the nursery with a chart and a credit card. Let's plan your plants by light, seed needs, water requirements, and growth habits. Layer them, tall trees and squash in the back and mid-size in the center, soft broad curve in the front, and don't forget the season choice. Plants that offer beauty in spring, summer, fall, and even winter. Grasses, winter breeze, bark with texture and color. Planting with the seasons in mind means your garden always has something to say. Garden don't just happen above ground. The real magic is in the soil. Treat it like a living thing, because it is, and compost will regularly. Avoid fertilizers and harsh chemicals. Let worms do their work as your soil improves. Your plant and water its previous. So water basically drip irrigations, rain bridges, and smart watering spaces. Top protective and trending modern landscaping ideas. So take care, friends.